If you've been gardening for a while, you may have seen white fuzz on your stems like this. So what is this white fuzz, and is it something that I should be nervous about? Well, the good news is that this white fuzz, it's not mealybug. So if you've been growing plants a while and you've heard of mealybugs and you know how bad they can be for your plants, rest assured you're not dealing with mealybugs here. But what these are called plant hoppers. And if you take a really good close look, you can see there is an adult plant hopper, but then all of this white fuzzy stuff is hiding little nymphs. Now you can see as I touch it, they all move. Those are little baby plant hoppers that are just getting growing, and they produce this waxy white fuzz that protects them as they mature. Now, while these plant hoppers are sucking pests, they do suck a little bit of the juice out of the stems, but it's minimal. They're not going to cause a ton of damage to your plants. So you really don't have to worry about doing any sort of care or techniques to get rid of them. Definitely don't need to apply any pesticides for them. They're going to eventually go away as the season progresses. But if you do have some areas of your garden that are really full of them, or you have a couple of stems that you just don't like, you can take a watering pail and just gently pour water over a stem to remove them, or if you have a lot, take a hose and just spray it down, and that'll definitely help remove them from the stems. But don't worry, they're not going to do a lot of damage. Just let them be. Let Mother Nature do her thing.